Hello dear student. Today start from the new topic. Your new topic name is the double her weight. In the last obvious video, I already started the chapter number 8. Chapter number 8 name is who is heavier. Okay, and that today's new topic is the double her weight. This is a very wonderful story of the Kunjamas. Okay, now see. Kunjama's parents have a different way of celebrating Independence Day because Kunjama was born that day and they buy sweets double of Kunjama weight and distribute them among the poor people. This is a very wonderful story of the Kunjama. Now the story of what? Kunjama parents have a different way to celebrating the Independence Day. Okay. Now we have today because the Kunjama was born that day and they buy sweets double of the Kunjama weight. Okay. And they are buy sweet the double of Kunjama weight. For an example, Kunjama weight is are 2. It means that we have to distribute the sweet is are 4. 2 kg, otherwise 4 kg. Okay, and distribute them among the poor people. Now see the picture carefully is for your better understanding. This is a picture is very clear. Okay, now see from the one side is a kunjuma and the other side is a sweets. Okay, now next, when Kunjuma was born, for an example, when Kunjuma was born, she was a 3 kg. For a listen here, when Kunjuma was born, she was a 3 kg. Today is a Independence Day, and the Kunjuma in 5 years old. It means will be she is a 28 kg now. Okay. Now your question is what? Now guesses her weight and the amount of sweets her parents distribute the every Independence Day. Okay. Now see. Now start from your some columns are there. This is your first, second, and third one. This is your first one column has a Kunjuma age is are already given to you, and the Kunjuma weights is are given and the amount of seed is are distributed. Now the one by one we will start it. Here will be Kunjuma age at the birth is the 1 years old at the birth is our Kunjuma weight of the 8 of birth is our 3 kg. It means that we have to distribute the sweets are 6 kg. Why 6 kg? Because I already told you, I already discussed Kunjuma's parents have a different way of celebrating the Independence Day. Why? Because Kunjuma was born that day. That is why this is a sweets doubles of the Kunjuma weight. Okay. That is why here will be at birth time here will be a Kunjuma weight is are a 3 kg. Definitely the amount of sweets are a 6 kg. That is why this is for a 3 plus 3 is equals to 6 kg. Okay, that is why your answer is what? 6 kg. Okay, now start from the next one. 2 years old. Similarly, we have to find out the 2 years old. Now see, we have to find out the Kunjuma weight and the amount of seed is are given to you. Okay, in the 2 years old, in the 3 years old, 4 years old, and the 5 years old. Okay, start from the 1 year old. In a 1 year old, in a Kunjuma weight is a 9 kg. Now we have to find out the amount of sweet is distributed. Definitely 18 kg. Why? Because I already discussed. This is our 9 plus 9. Definitely your answer will be coming 18 kg. Here will be 18 kg is the correct answer. Next one, this is a 2 years old. The weight of Kunjuma is 13 kg. Why 13 kg? Because the given condition is what? Amounts of sweets is are given to you. This is our 13 plus 13 is equals to 26. This is our third one column has the amount of sweets is are given. And then we have to find out the Kunjuma weight. Okay. At the 2 years old, the weight of the Kunjuma is around 13 kg. Okay, why 13 kg? Because the amount of sweets is are given. It means that one is are given, then find out the next one, and the next one is are given, then find out the first one. Okay. Next, here will be 3 years old. The weight of the 3 years old, the Kunjuma weight is are 17 kg. Okay. Then we have to find out the amount of sweets. How many amount of sweets is are distributed her parents. Okay. Then we have to find out it. This is our 17 plus 17. That is our your answer is what 34 kg. Okay. This is your correct answer is what 34 kg. Next 4 years old, but in the 4 years old has a Kunjuma weight, we have to find it and the amount of sweet. This is for you. Okay, for an example, in a 4 years old, the Kunjuma weight is 22 kg. For an example, 22, 23, 24. Okay, for an example, I will write the 22 kg, and then we have to find out the amount of sweets is distributed. Okay, definitely your answer is what 44. Why 44? Because 22 is add with 22, definitely your answer will become in the 24. Okay, this is 24 is a correct answer. Next one is the 5 years old. Now we have to find out the 5 years old. This is our 28 kg. Definitely we have to find out the double weight. This is our 28 plus 28. Your answer is what 56 kg. Okay, and the next is a very general question, actually only for you. You can ask your parents how much at the 2 years old and the 4 years old child could be weight. Guesses your own weight. For an example, your weight is 13 kg, so you have to write down the 13 kg, 30 kg, 40 kg, whatever. Okay, this is question only for you. Okay, this is a very wonderful story of the Kunjuma's parents and her. Okay, now to start from the next page. Next is yum yum rice. Shugoto hear about a new dish on the radio. He want to try the making it. When he knows down how to make it, and he gets confused. That is what he knows down. First one is the 2 spoon of water in the pot. Boil the water and add 1 pinch of dal, half kg of red chili powder, 1 bowl salt. Third one is now put a spoon of rice, add 2 peas and 8 glasses of mustard seeds. Finally add 1 kg of onion. Mix everything and boils the 15 minutes. But the Shuto feels there is a something is very wrong in the amount of everything and help him make the thing there are right amount. This is a very wonderful story of the yum yum rice. Okay, and the Shukudo is are hearing the some new dish see the radio, and he want to try the making it. Okay, but he notes down how to make it. Okay, but he get confused. That is what is note down is a 2 spoon of water pot. Definitely in the amount of 2 spoon of water is not sufficient. Okay, then boil the water and add with 1 pinch of dal. Why 1 pinch of dal? No use of 1 pinch of dal. Okay, it's a large amount of dal we have to use in according to your family members. Okay, half kg of red chili powder. Don't use the half kg of red chili powder. Okay, is a half kg of red chili powder is a very large amount. Okay, definitely depend upon your family members. Your family member has a 5 10 depend upon your family member. You have to use the red chili powder, but a half kg of red chili powder is not used here. Okay, 1 bowl of salt. Okay, 1 bowl of salt is also not used here. It's a large amount. 1 bowl of salt. Okay, next a spoon of rice. Only 1 spoon of rice is what? Okay, it's not a sufficient. Okay, next what? Next one is a 8 glasses of mustard seeds, not 8 glasses. And finally, add a 1 kg of onion, not a 1 kg of onion. Okay, and mix and everything and boil for a 15 minutes. Okay, but Shukto is a feel that is why something is very wrong in the amount of the everything. And your question is what? You have to help him and match the thing with their right amount. Okay, now see, is a 1 and 2 example is are given to you, that is why, and in the next we have to solve it. Okay, 1 kg of rice, definitely 1 kg of rice you have to use here. Okay, they depend upon your family members, say the 8 member, 10, 15, 20 members. Okay, then the 1 kg of rice use here, and the next one is a half kg of dal. This is a very right amount. Okay, half kg of dal, and then we have to use the number of peas. Okay, the number of peas is a one bowl of peas is a use here, because very small quantity are there. The one bowl of peas is a use here, and the water, because in a given condition only 1 spoon of water is given to you. Only 1 spoon of water is not sufficient, na. That is why your 8 glasses is sufficient. That is why your answer is what, 8 glasses of water. Next one is 1 kg of onion. 1 kg, why 1 kg? 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, the large amount of onion is not used here. Okay, only 2 and 3 onion is are sufficient. Okay, that is why. Next one is salt. The amount of salt, only 1 pinch of salt is are used here. Okay, it means that here will be 1 pinch is the correct answer. Next is the mustard seeds. How many mustard seeds is are used here? Only 2 spoon. Okay, here will be 2 spoon. Only is the mustard seeds is are used here. And the next one is the 1 spoon of red chili powder. Not how many is are given to you? Half kg of red chili powder. That is why is a very wrong. Half kg of chili powder is not here. Only 1 spoon is sufficient to a red chili powder. Okay, to make your lunch, breakfast, dinner also. Okay, this is our answer regarding the yum yum rice. Okay, is a very important, very nice story about the yum yum rice. Okay, I hope so. Everyone student get understood the how can we find the this our answers. Okay, and next topic we start from the next obvious video, and I have a nice day.